If a Muslim commits an act of kufr, do all of their deeds become null and void? And if they return, are those deeds restored? If a Muslim commits an act of kufr, then not all of their deeds will become null and void. And this is based upon the fact that committing an act of kufr does not make one a kafir, meaning a disbeliever. There are conditions that have to be met, and there are inhibitors that have to be removed. And only when those things are fulfilled will a person become a disbeliever. So the general ruling is, if you commit an act of kufr, that is sinful, but it does not make you a kafir. Now let's look at the scenario where a person apostates from Islam altogether and they choose to leave Islam. In such a situation, clearly their deeds will become null and void, meaning they will have no weight to them on the day of judgment, the good deeds that they did. However, from the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if they were to come back to Islam with a valid difference of opinion, their deeds would be restored. And this is based upon the concept of the mercy and forgiveness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that it is so vast that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would restore their deeds if they chose to repent and come back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Al-Furqan, that whoever repents and believes and does good deeds, then for those individuals, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will convert their bad deeds into good ones. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best.
Subscribe to this channel, share this video, and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified with every new video at FaithIQ. Jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.